Hello, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, the comedy team is going to lead you into a short tune-in on, how shall we put it? It's kind of a funny thing here. Your daily dump. So in some ways, your body has to do a daily dump, right? Or maybe several dumps a day, right? To release that which you have ingested through food and water and drink and substances, including supplements and natural formulas. Your body every day has to dump the waste and the excessive materials from your digestive process. But also consider this about doing a psychic and energetic daily dump as well, especially from your solar plexus, which is your dumping ground. It is your dumping ground. And what we mean by that is what you take in from the world and from others, emotionally, psychically, energetically, mentally, thought forms, thought projections, from whomever or whatever, ends up in your solar plexus, unless you are very mindful of not taking it into and dumping it into your solar plexus, i.e. your digestive system, i.e. your stomach. But since you are very telepathic and overly sensitive and, yes, empathic, you tend to absorb other people's emotions and thoughts. So it is a wise idea in your daily meditations, which can only take a few minutes, to dump all of that energy out. So let's do that right now. Just come into this now moment, come into focus, let go of the day, let go of everything that's going on, let go of the overwhelm. Breathe with your body, breathe into the solar plexus, deep breath, exhaling out, just letting go, letting go, letting go. Dropping the shoulders, releasing the tension in your face and your forehead, your jaw, your calves, your fingers, your toes. Come into the now moment. And imagine that you're opening up your solar plexus. And there's this cosmic dump truck that's coming by right on schedule. And it parked itself right in front of your solar plexus. And you're going to take out the trash. You're going to do your daily dump into the trash truck. However many barrels or cans of trash you need, you're going to take it out. Take it out of your system. Everybody else's anxieties and fears and projections. And this could go back to when you're a little kid, or this could go back to when you were 7 or 13, or a teenager, or a baby, even in utero. Mama and papa's energies, fears, anxieties. So what you're doing is you're dumping out all of the stress and all of the anxiety that's not yours. So keep piling it into the trash truck. Just pull it out very gently. Take it out of your solar plexus, all that energy, and just dump it in. Dump it into the trash truck. Do it with the breath. As you exhale, you're going to release. Now, continue to do this until you feel completely clean and clear and light. And then close down your solar plexus, close down the crown, close down your chakra system, recalibrate for normal functioning in the world, appearing to be normal. We say appearing to be normal. All right. So after you close down and readjust, then you're good to go for the day. So we suggest you do this several times a day, and especially whenever you feel overwhelmed coming on, whenever you have lost your center, you've lost your balance, you've lost your focus, and you've got too much going on in your head. Do this little tune in and you'll be fine. Okay, until next time, have a good dump. Comedy team signing off now.